What's going on, guys? Today I'll be doing another unboxing. Yesterday I did an unboxing for the Apple Watch Series 4 Nike Plus edition. I'm still going to be doing a review on that. I'm just giving myself at least another day, but these products came in today. These are some accessories for the watch. Here I have a casing for the watch to kind of protect the edges so it doesn't get too much scratches or whatever. And here's some bands. I'll be opening it shortly, for the watch as well. Some colors that that Apple doesn't have, and a dock for both the watch and my phone. So let's have it. And here goes. Alright, guys, so firstly I'll go and open this one. All these products, I will probably leave a link below as to where you can get it. It's off Amazon, of course. That this case has like a rubbery kind of feel to it, so it's not stiff, you know. So I'm definitely going to be, I think I'm going to be liking that very much. That's one. Let's put that to the side, and let's move on to. So this is also, like I said, all these products are purchased off Amazon. So let's see. Have a look. Nice. Awesome. So this is what I really wanted, the red and black. Because when I was at Apple, they didn't have this color. So I went ahead and got, so red and black is my favorite color actually. So yeah, but this looks really good. It feels really good. It feels just like the Apple Watch, to be honest with you. I'm definitely going to be trying that on, because as you can see I'm wearing the watch. Let me take out the other one. Yeah, so it's pretty good, and the quality feels really good. Surprisingly, it's wow. I'm surprised. For something that is way less than what Apple is charging you, it's ridiculous. I'll put the prices on the screen as I go along. So that's it. Two cases, two bands, my bad. I'll put this to the side. Let me see if there's anything else on here. Just a dear customer, log into Amazon, blah blah blah. Yeah, nothing really that important. I'll put this to the side right here. Good. It's a stand, like I said, for both the watch and the phone. Alright, so let's open that up and see what it looks like. Pretty simple, nothing fancy. These are what I was seeing on the side. These are like levels for the cabling. So we'll take a look at that shortly and see. Let's take out the stand. Let's see what's inside the box. This is good. I guess it's just the instruction on how to install it and put it together. So I guess we can probably do that together. Alright, let's see. Let's put this box inside. Right here. So here we have the stand for the phone. And I guess this is for the watch. So there's a knob right here at the back that you can use to adjust, so that I guess the phone doesn't, when it's plugged in, doesn't strain. So it's rests comfortably on this pad. It kind of has a rubber kind of feel. I mean, it's all plastic, nothing crazy. I didn't want it crazy anyway, so this is pretty much good enough for me. So yeah, let's test it out. One second, guys, let me just get my cables. Sorry about that, because I literally just got these in the mail. So we're gonna literally do it together, set it up together, and see how it goes. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna take this off. Let's see how to take it off. I'll just read the instructions so I don't break anything. Okay, so it looks like I pretty much slide this up Okay. So there's a clip underneath it right here. So if I release this clip and then slide it up, boom, there you go. And this is off. All right, good. Okay, so let's get the cable. I'm gonna put this through. Oops, wrong side. Let's put this through right here. And this is just to determine, I guess, how high up you want the cable to be. So that's these are the I guess the razors. To kind of allow it up, so they're like notches. If you slide it in, it's like that. So let's see. And the plastic is a really nice feel. Doesn't feel too cheap, which is a good thing, even though it is at a cheaper price than what Apple is selling you. So yeah, it's not too bad. This one is a little bit too high for me, so let's change that. Just gonna bring it back out if I can. Wow, and it's really in there. So that's a good sign. So we know that once you put it in, it's not going anywhere. So I'm going to switch it to a smaller one and see. I think I like that a little bit more. Let's see. Just going to go a little bit lower. I think that's good. I think that's pretty good. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so with a smaller one now, there's not enough. There's too much wiggle room. So to be honest with you, let me go to the other one. So it's a good thing we're just doing it together. So at least if you guys get it, you guys know what to do exactly. So let's put this back, slide it up. This one has more room and it's more sturdy. So let's see what level I'll have this at. That looks good to me. Perfect. So if I have my phone, which is right here, I can just put it in. Put it in right here. Let's see. Make sure there's enough room. So based on what I have here now, I know that I need to go up at least one more level. So I'm gonna do that. Go up one more level. Perfect. And it's in. Alright, so this is where now we can adjust the back so it doesn't I guess shake too much when it's on there. I think that's good. Good. Perfect. Alright. So we can put the cover back on like so. I'm gonna slide this over. Boom. Perfect. And there are some goos right here that you can just maneuver it through, which I think is kind of dope. So let's do that. And that's one. So cable is in there. Okay. And then for the watch now, let's see what we can do here. So this is the charging side. Alright, so I guess we have to thread this through this way. Like so. Let's see. And it fits snug. Nice and easy. Perfect. And the same principle right here. You just thread it through. Just put it in. Like so. And voila. Nice and easy. Just like that. Just like that. I think that's really good. Alright, so let me test it out. I have my USB dock right here. So I'm going to plug it in. That's one. And that's two. Right there. Perfect. Get these out of the way. Put this back in the bag so I don't lose it. Good. And let's test the watch first, which I have on right here. Good. Put it on. Let's see. Let's see if it I'll take this a little bit too high. So let's put it. You can actually adjust the height to make sure the battery seats properly on the magnetic strip, which is kind of cool. Let's check and see if I plugged it in, because my USB that I have here has like a on and off switch. So let's see, let me plug it out. Ah, there you go, and it's charging. Alright, so that's one. Let's test the phone now. Let's put it in. Try and get it again. So this is a little bit too much out, so let's put it back so I can slide the phone down. If I did, let's see. I don't know if I connected it properly. Let's slide it back some more, because once I get the feel of everything, I'll know exactly what to do, and it's all because I have the case on there. Let's see. Alright, so because I have the case on here, let me take it off real quick. So let's put this in like so, and voila. So it's all because of the case why I'm having such a hard time to put it in, but guys, as you can see, it works perfectly and it looks really good. I like it. It's simple, it matches my desk, it's black, it's fine. Alright, so let's move on. Okay, so we know that works. Alright, so this is all put together. Let's plug this out and move it to the side. Okay, and onto the watch bands. I really like these, and like I said, the color that I really wanted when I was at the store yesterday. I really wanted a red and black, and I didn't have any, and this looks really good. This is what we got. You can compare it and see. It's kind of sweat, but look at that. It's the same, pretty much black, and look at it. You could tell it's different, of course. You know, you have the logo right here. There's no logo on here, and that's fine. I don't really care about those things. So, you know, if you really want to get something quality, you know, these brands aren't bad. So let's try it out and see. Let's take this off. Boom. I'm going to use the red, obviously. So let me take this out like so. Slide this in like so. Wow, just like that. Oh, looks like a notification that the package was delivered. But look at that, looks really good. Let's take the other one out. Put this one in. Locks in. Perfect. Let's try it on. Sorry guys, it's pressing the screen. But let's try it on and see. Hold on. Okay, so boom. Slide it in like so. Look at that. And I selected the colors that I liked, that was gonna match the band. That's pretty dope. Look at that. And it feels good. Can't get any better than that. Love it. Alright, let's move on. So we did the bands, we did the stand. Now to do the screen, just right here. And I'm got the same color, which is red and black. Alright, so let's remove the bands off there. Remove the bands from there. Alright. And then we're just gonna slide it in. Let's see what it looks like. See if I like it. Voila. Perfect. It's a perfect fit. Perfect fit. The vents are open, nothing is covered that's not supposed to be covered. Fits like a glove, guys. And it feels really good. Let's put the bands on and see. So, and I had it, the band on top of here. Slide it in. Boom. Slide this in. Right here. I think it's fine. because I'm always banging my hands and stuff. And it looks okay to me. It's not a big deal, and it fits really good. Let's put it on. Like, at least you guys are seeing what I'm doing, so if you do decide to purchase the same thing, you know exactly what to do from my mistakes. Put it on again. Look at that. I think it's okay. I'm not gonna wear it all the time. I'm just gonna wear it like when I'm doing my weddings, because I'm a wedding photographer. So yeah, look at that. I like it. The edges are protected from scratches. You still can use everything. Everything still works. It's perfect. I like it. Alright guys, so that has been the unboxing of the case for the watch. The band, which is what's on the phone or on the watch right now, right here, and then we have the stand over here. It looks pretty good. The quality is pretty good. It's pretty sturdy on a flat surface. It's not shaking or moving, which is perfect. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe if you enjoyed anything. Give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. Alright guys, thank you. Peace out.